What's up you guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to add story on Snapchat public profile. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, of course, open up your Snapchat. After that, click here on your profile to get on that page. And now first you need to be sure that you got public profile. I see my public profile here. And next you need to do the following. Go to my stories and there tap on three dots and enter the story settings. There you need to set that option to everyone and go back. And that's it. Now you are able to add stories to your public profile. So you can go there to camera and you can add here some photo, or you can use your camera to make one. And after that, after you edit photo, you tap next. Here you can add, you can check my story option, tap next, and this photo was just added to your story, to your public profile too. So that's how it works. I hope this video helped you out, guys. So before you go, please like and subscribe.